This episode of Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief is brought to you by Right By You Mortgage. Wherever life takes you, we're right by you. Visit rightbyyoumortgage.com/podcast to learn more.
From WRAL News and the Capital Broadcasting Podcast Network, this is your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Friday, October 16th. I'm Lena Tillett. On Thursday, North Carolina reached the highest number of new cases ever reported in North Carolina, the state reporting 2,532 positive cases. In his briefing on Thursday, Governor Roy Cooper said there's still time to reverse course.
As you can see, our numbers are higher than we want them to be right now. There's not one geographical area or industry to blame. I know we're all tired of this. It's frustrating to feel confined and to do the things we need to do to slow the spread of the virus. But we cannot let weariness and frustration win out. Wearing masks and being careful are more important than ever. We brought our numbers down before, and we need to do it again. So even if you're gathering with friends or extended family, or if you're just running into the store for a second, wear a mask, wait 6 feet apart, and wash your hands. We will succeed if we do this together.
These concerns made even greater with the start of flu season, especially in our hospitals, which have recorded more than 1,000 patients for 9 straight days. Ashley Wheeler is an ER nurse at Duke Regional. She and her colleague Sherry Moore shared this message with WRAL viewers.
Just wanted to do another video. We're definitely seeing an increase here at the hospital, but I only see the ER, obviously. So I have Sherry Moore with me. She's one of the respiratory therapists in the hospital, and she definitely sees every kind of respiratory patient here.
Hi, everyone. I know this has been a really hard time for everyone, including for us. But we know the holidays are coming up too, and we're a little concerned. So realize that your grandma, the girl with asthma that you're dating, anybody who has an immune system that isn't quite right can get affected by this. So I just want you to all be really safe.
North Carolina reported its first flu death of the season on Thursday, a person over the age of 65 who lives in the central part of the state. On Thursday, the governor also announced applications are open for a new rent and utility assistance program known as HOPE. It's meant to help the many people who are struggling to pay rent. And 6 Sanford firefighters have tested positive for the virus. The employees are currently recovering at home in isolation. We're told all fire stations are experiencing a reduction in staff due to employee quarantines, but the city of Sanford does not anticipate any disruption to services. This has been your Coronavirus North Carolina News Brief for Friday, October 16th. I'm Lena Tillett.
When it comes to buying a new home, you want to know that you're in good hands. At Right By You Mortgage, the dedicated team of lenders live in your community and are committed to being right by you every step of the way. Whether you are a growing family, a relocating professional, or a retiring couple, they'll partner with you to find the right loan to fit your unique home buying needs. Plus, with a Right By You Mortgage on-time closing guarantee, they'll pay you and the seller $500 if you don't close on time. Visit rightbyyoumortgage.com/podcast to get started. Wherever life takes you, we're right by you. Go to rightbyyoumortgage.com/podcast for full details. Equal housing lender, NMLS number 402136.